Good morning, welcome back to the channel. My name is KevTee and we do trucking. Hope you're all very well. It's Tuesday today. It's still cold. There's still snow on the ground. Not as much as yesterday. Well, I almost got stuck in snowdrifts. But today we're going down to Cornwall. We're running late this morning because my car broke down halfway in, so the CRV is off the road for a little while. I need to get that sorted today. I managed to struggle it back home again and I've nabbed the missus's car, so she's not going to be able to do very much. Just done my vehicle checks, just finished my paperwork. I think we're ready to roll. We are, yeah, other work has been 10 minutes. Right, let's go. Okay, didn't have a chance to tell you what was going on earlier because I was in a bit of a rush with the car breaking down and something that I've got arranged to do today. But we are back on the walking floor trailer, which is nice because I quite like doing these. We're loading some sort of compost which is going down to Cornwall, St Austell. So it's a nice little run today. It's going to an old quarry site that they're returning back to its natural beauty. So we're just loading 23 tons of that, and hopefully we should be on our way. We'll stop at the garage if there's room to stop, grab myself a quick cup of coffee and a bacon sandwich, set me up for the day.
These presents don't really come for free. Your paycheck don't mean that much to me. Just take my hand and hold me tight. You'll never buy my love. You buy me this and you buy me that. So win over.
Well, we've just arrived at Callmore Services. 12 o'clock. We'd done 4 hours 25 minutes driving, so I just managed to make it to where I wanted to. This is where we leave the main A30 and we go off-road pretty much. Apparently it's a bit of a pain to find because you can't go the direct route through the town because they've got an agreement that you can't use the town, so you've got to go all round the houses. Got another 20 minutes of my break remaining. One thing I want to address is I have a lot of people messaging me and leaving messages on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, or mentioning about my audio. Now, I more than anyone know the audio from this GoPro is a nightmare. I'm the one that's got to sit and try and edit it and correct it and try and bring it to some sort of listenable level. And I know it's not great, it's something that I'm working on. It's not that I'm not trying. Everyone knows that GoPro audio is rubbish. I bought Rode video mic, which wasn't cheap. I also bought the GoPro adapter, so you can use an external mic, which wasn't cheap. And GoPro has a known bug that they won't work with it. It works, but it's hit and miss. And with the kind of filming that I do, where I'm trying to film stuff as I'm passing, and you know, it's the kind of recording that I do isn't stuff that I can go back and retake. So when I hit record, I need audio. With the mic and the GoPro adapter, I hit record, it only records audio sometimes, which isn't great when I do a piece to camera like this and I'm on a limited time because I'm on my break, and I go back, look at the footage, and there's no audio. So that's why I'm having to use the audio from the GoPro, so that I can guarantee that there is audio every time. Now I am working to fix this. I have a new camera that I'm going to buy, which I can use my mic that I've already got. Now it's not a case of just waiting for it to arrive. I'm trying to work out what camera is going to be best for the videos that I make. Now, do I get a compact camera? Do I get a DSLR? Because I'm not going to go with another GoPro. I've had so many nightmares with GoPro that I just don't want to get another GoPro. So where we are at the moment is I'm just trying to work out what camera is best. As soon as I've done that, I'll order the camera and we should have better audio. So for the next couple of weeks, I think we're probably just going to have to make do with what we've got for now. Right, we need to get back on the road and try and find this quarry. So that's job done. From booking in, tipping, booking out, 25 minutes. So pretty good. Happy with that.
Turn left onto Greensplatt Road.
Obviously didn't film anything inside the quarry because these sorts of places are usually quite sensitive. But I will get some tipping at some point. So we are making our 3.5.
3/4 of a mile, turn right onto B3274.
3.5, 4 hour drive back now. Long old day. Looks like we'll be back to the yard about 5:30. Hoping I'm going to make it to the garage. The local garage anyway. Just over a quarter of a tank left. We should be right. Anyway, let's crack into it. Another day done. Not bad. It was a good little run. I usually do 2 days, but I'm spending the next couple of days doing the same thing, so I don't really want to film another couple of days. I've had good news about my car. Fixed. Apparently it was just one of the pulleys is seized up, throwing the auxiliary belt off, so I lost all the power steering and lost the brakes and lost battery power and that sort of stuff, but it's all good now, it's all fixed, so shouldn't have to drive or pinch the missus' car anymore. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that little run down to Devon, Cornwall, it was Cornwall, and yeah, more walking floor work during the week. Really good day. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for plenty more videos just like this, and I will look forward to seeing you guys next week. Cheers!